Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Debbie in the building. Guys, in today's video, I'll be making sausage rolls. Yeah, sausage rolls. So I'll be carrying you guys along. I just want to show you how I usually make my sausage roll. All those things I like doing it. I like preparing it in my own way and in the way that it will be easy for me. So sometimes I just do it in a way that since it's not something I'm selling or I'm using for any occasion, it's something we are going to eat in the house, you know, just me and hobby. So I don't usually try to beautify it or make it. But if it's something I'll be using for occasion, then I will take my time and make it. But I have a baby and I don't have all the time in the world for myself. So I usually make it the way it will be very easy for me. It's not really easy filming this video, guys. Not at all. It's not easy, honestly. But I just tried my best. Just for me to show you guys, you see the love. That is the love I have for you guys. Just to show you guys. Just to, in a way to show my love. And finally, I conquered. Glory to Jesus. So guys, let's go.
I started by preparing the fillings. I'll be using sausage, carrots, and Irish potato. If you don't have sausage, you can also use meat, mashed meat. I peeled the back of the potatoes and scraped the back of the carrot, chopped it. Now I'll be cooking it for about 7 to 8 minutes. I'll be cooking it with onion, seasoning cubes, just a little seasoning cube. It's not even up to 1/4. Dry pepper, I added the dry pepper off camera anyway. Dry grinded pepper. Then I'll not be adding salt. That is because sausage contains salt and I don't want my filling to be salty. I'll be adding a little water so that the water will also dry up with the potatoes and the carrots. While the carrots and potatoes are cooking, I went ahead and chopped the sausage in order to help my blender. As you can see, I started blending it. This blender is kind of small, so I blended the sausages up to 3 times before I finished blending everything. The carrots and potatoes has finished cooking. Now I'll be mashing it using the same blend. This is the mashed sausages, the mashed potatoes and carrots. I'll be frying the sausage with curry, thyme and onion and my vegetable oil. I placed the pot on fire, added vegetable oil, chopped onion, curry and thyme, stirred it for 5 seconds, then added the sausages and fried it. I fried it for about 5 minutes. If you don't have sausages, if you have meat, you can also use meat for the filling. All you need to do is to mash it or blend it. You can use a masher, you can use a blender, whatever you have, just to make it this smooth. After frying for about 5 minutes, I went ahead and added a little water, but it's like the water I added was much. So if you are making yours, don't add much water, just a little. Then I covered it and cooked for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I added the mashed potatoes and carrots, stirred it and allowed it to cook for 1 or 2 minutes. And that is all. Our filling is ready. This is our sausage. These are the ingredients I'll be using for the dough: flour, margarine, sugar, salt, baking powder, eggs, and nutmeg. I added the dry ingredients first: baking powder, sugar, salt. You add to your taste when you're making it. I was supposed to mix the margarine first before adding egg, but I mistakenly added the eggs before mixing the margarine. So I went ahead and still added the margarine and mixed it. When you're doing yours, add the margarine and mix it before adding the eggs. Okay? Now you mix and mix and mix and start mixing to form the dough. You mix until the dough is formed. I forgot to add nutmeg, so I added the nutmeg now. Now I added a little water and continue mixing to form my dough. Once you start noticing little crumbs, as you can see, the dough is forming gradually. As you can see, the dough has formed. Once it's no longer sticking on the bowl, it is ready. I covered it and put it in my oven. This is the dough after 20 minutes. Now I will start rolling, cutting out my desired shape. I sprinkled a little flour on my chopboard, cut out a little dough, use my rolling pin to flatten it, as you can see. Now I rolled the dough. You see how flat it is. You make sure you roll it till it's flat, just like mine. Then I brought out 1 egg and mixed it in a little bowl. As you can see, I also reduced the excess part from the rolled dough, then used the egg to rub at the edges. This is to help the dough to stick, so that when it gets to the oven it will not scatter. Because if you don't rub it this way, when you roll it and cut it and put it in the oven, it may scatter once it gets into the oven because of the excess heat. But once you use egg like this and rub it at the edges, it helps it not to scatter. It helps the dough to stick very well. So I went ahead and added my filling and then rolled it. You can as well roll yours to your desired shape and size. After rolling it, as you can see, I went ahead and used my pizza cutter to cut it to my desired size. You can also cut yours to your desired size. This is it. in place. I still repeated the previous step that I showed, and here is my sausage rolls. I placed them on my oven pan, used a fork to open it up a little bit so that the heat can penetrate inside. Then I went ahead and used the remaining egg to coat the surface of the sausage. As you can see, I actually cut it to my desired shape, and size. So you can as well make yours smaller or bigger. If you're making it anyhow you want it, you can always do it, So I rubbed the egg on the surface, as you can see, and then place it in my oven. That is it. I preheated the oven for about 5 or 10 minutes before putting it in the oven, and I baked it for 30 minutes, 15 minutes for each side. Here is my sausage rolls. My sausage rolls are ready.
This is so yummy, guys. It's not because I'm the one that made it. It's so yummy. Yummy. To eat speakness. Is there any dish like this? Let's try it. Bye, guys. See you all in my next video. Don't miss me too much. Don't.